will ask us which concept, OS model.
Number of items.
What is the example number? 10 now.
Tens.
Write a program to rename the directories and the files. Write a program to rename the directories and files. Import OS dot change directory. Now I want to print the list of directories. OS dot dir. Next one, I want to rename it. OS dot rename of old directory name Django. New directory name I am taking as a DJ. OS dot rename of edition.java. I want to rename it add.java. Java. Now I want to change style.css file into style.python file. This is an empty file we can convert it. Into OS dot list.dir. Okay. Initially edition.java, now renaming add.java. Django, now shortcut DJ. Next one, style.css. Huh? CSS is okay. Now style.css, style.view. Now that is also converting into Python file. Complete.
సార్ ఇలా సపరేట్ గానే తీసుకోవాలా సార్? ఉన్నటివన్నీ అన్నది ఏది లాజిక్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోలేమా?
మీకు ఏది కావాలో దాన్ని తీసుకుంటాం మనం ఇన్పుట్.
అవునా సార్? సపరేట్ గానే మనకి ఏది కావాలో అది రీనేమ్ చేసుకోవాలని.
రీనేమ్ ఫంక్షన్ లో 2 అట్రిబ్యూట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఒకటి ఓల్డ్ ఫైల్ నేమ్, న్యూ ఫైల్ నేమ్ ఇవ్వాలి.
ఎస్ సార్, అది అర్థమైంది.
A program remove the files and directories. Write a program to remove the files and directories. Okay, observing very clearly. If you want to remove the directory, rmdir command remove directory, the directory name we are passed. Remove DJ folder is deleted. Style.py file is also deleted. Completed. Write a program. Get the OS name.
Sir, one doubt.
Let me.
Sir, we have created some files and folders inside Shiva folder, right? So
Yeah.
if you want to copy all these files and folders into different folder, let's say Shailinder. So is that possible?
Yeah, copy option is available. Okay, return a duplicate of a file descriptor. Okay, if you want to working with the complete OS model, we need to require some basic level of commands like as a command prompt commands or Linux commands is required. Okay, file descriptor, this terminology is required.
Okay, sir. So there is no command like copy as you mentioned.
Yeah. Okay, get the OS name, simply import OS and os.name. If you are using Windows, by default Windows OS name is NT. If you are using another operating system like as a Linux or Ubuntu flavors, that operating system name we are getting. All of Windows operating system name is NT. Write a program to get the OS path. Where it is available in the C drive, Python 310 lib folder, empty path. Clear. Write a program to get the OS name, not OS name, get login name. Okay. Okay. Next one. Write a program to get the process ID, the parent process ID. Okay. Observe me very clearly. This is my Python shell. This is a main process. In that main process, this is a one sub process. This is another sub process. This is another sub process. Now go to task manager. A Python related two processes are running. One is called this main window. This is the main shell. Second one is this is a child process. Totally two processes are running. One process ID is 7516. Another one is called 532. Now I want to find these process IDs. OS dot get PID. OS dot get PID. next one OS dot pp id. Okay, ppid is nothing but this main window process id. 532 PID is this child process. For suppose one more I want to restart the shell, now automatically we'll get the another process ID, but the parent process ID is common. 7516 and 532.
Sir, suppose if I put get PID bracket some of the any name of the application such as like Google Chrome or something, will I get PID of that particular application? Sir, are you there? Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah. For suppose here, this is my notepad. Now that notepad is 9060. My name is notepad.exe. Get PID takes no arguments. Okay. This is only related to operating system, that means OS model property. Are you clear?
Yeah, got it, sir.
సార్ లైనెక్స్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ తెలుసుకోవాలంటే సపోజ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ లో సపోజ్ ఇట్స్ రెడ్ హ్యాట్ 50 సర్వర్స్, సెట్ ఓఎస్ 50, ఉబంటూ 50 సర్వర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఐ వాంట్ టు గెట్ ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్స్ హౌ మెనీ ఓఎస్ సర్వర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. సపోజ్ ఇది విండోస్ సర్వర్ లో మనం ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ తెలుసుకుంటున్నాము. సో నేను లైనెక్స్ సర్వర్స్ కనెక్ట్ అవ్వాలండి సార్.
మీకు లైనెక్స్ లో మీరు లైనెక్స్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ లైనెక్స్ లో మీరు పైథాన్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయగానే అక్కడ మళ్ళీ ఓఎస్ మోడల్ డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటుంది.
అప్పుడు ఏజెంట్ ఏమైనా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి సార్ ప్రతి లైనెక్స్ సర్వర్ లో?
లేదు లేదు, మీరు లైనెక్స్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ కనుక యూజ్ చేస్తే అందులో మళ్ళీ పైథాన్ ఇన్స్టాల్ అయిన ఓఎస్ మోడల్ కొన్ని కమెంట్ చేంజ్ అవుతాయి.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్. అప్పుడు ఇలాగే ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకొని
సేమ్
ప్యాకేజెస్ అక్కడేమొచ్చు సార్ సేమే కదా?
సేమే కానీ ఓఎస్ మోడల్ ఉంటుంది, కానీ అందులో కొన్ని కమెంట్ చేంజ్ అవుతాయి.
ఓకే ఓకే
ఇప్పుడు
సార్.
మనం జనరల్ గా మనం ఓఎస్ లో మనకి ఎల్ఎస్ అని కొడతాం కదా లైనెక్స్ లో.
అవునవును సార్.
ఇక్కడ మనం డిఐ అని కొడతాం కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ లో.
ఓకే.
సేమ్ అలాగే కొన్ని కమెంట్ చేంజ్ అవుతాయి అంతే.
ఇది సేమ్ కోడ్ మనం అక్కడ లైనెక్స్ లో రాసుకోవడానికి సపరేట్ గా ఏమన్నా అంటే షెల్ లాగా ఏమన్నా ఇస్తాడు సార్? ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ ఏమన్నా ఇస్తాడా? మనం ఇక్కడ
సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్ ఉంటుంది విండోస్ లైనెక్స్ లో కూడా.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
మీరు కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ లో అదే టెర్మినల్ లోకి వెళ్ళి పైథాన్ టైప్ చేస్తే మీకు ఇంటరాక్టివ్ మోడ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది డైరెక్ట్ గా.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Sir, for Linux and all, we no need to install, right? By default, it will get installed, right?
Yeah, by default we are getting, but we are getting old version. Depends upon your operating system version.
Okay, sir.
At that time, we need to updating or downloading and installing manually.
Okay, got it, sir.
Okay, observing very clearly. For suppose I want to kill process. Write a program to kill the process. OS dot log process ID and the signal value we are passing. Okay, most probably signal value we are passing except 0. 0 means false. Except 0 we are passing true. Maximum we are using only 2 signal values, either 0 or 1. 0 means false, 1 means true. Now observing very clearly, here totally 2 processes are running. Okay, one is called, this entire is a one process. Okay, restarting onwards, this entire is a one process. Okay, now I want to kill this process. What is that process ID? 532. OS dot kill. Simply, if you know process ID, directly we can pass in 532. Next signal value 1 I am passing. Now in the task manager, Python 532 is there. Whenever this command is executed, that process is killing, new process is created. Now observing. Again, restart the shell. Now the task manager, the process ID will be changing. Now 10224, new process is created.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, signal నాకు అర్థం కాదు. Signal అంటే ప్రాసెస్ అయితే signal అంటే
Signal means either 0 or 1. 2 values, Boolean values you are passing maximum. 0 means false, 1 means true. That means if you want to delete or if you want to kill the process, either say yes or no, compulsory we are passing 2 signal values, either 0 or 1.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే.
సార్ 0 ఇస్తే రీక్రియేట్ అవ్వదా సార్? అంటే రీప్రాసెస్ జరగదా?
You are observing very clearly. Now this is another new process. I don't know this process ID. Simply OS dot get a PID. Now again, one, kill the process. If you don't know that concept, import OS elf function, OS dot kill a process with a signal value. Okay, most of the cases, some situation 0 is not working. Okay, some processors understanding 0 is nothing but a false value. That's why always you prefer using one value. If you interest, we can take 0 also. Some cases 0 is not working. That's why I'm taking as always value is 1. Observing very clearly, 2 parameters compulsory is required. One is called process ID, second one is called signal. Kill a process with the compulsory signal value you are passing. Okay. Okay. We are passing one signal value. Already we will discuss maximum 0 always representing 0. Which one? False value. Except 0, we can take any value. That value taken as a true. For suppose I want to kill this entire main process. In that situation, if you don't know that process ID, simply OS dot kill of OS dot get PID. Signal value I am passing 1. Now observing very clearly, whenever we are trying to execute in this command, our shell will be closing. Now in the task manager also, that files are deleted, Python related. Okay. You just wait. I am open the Chrome. Okay, this is a Chrome browser I am opening. Okay, Microsoft Paint application I am opening. That application is also having one process ID. Okay, MS Paint process ID is 6540. Six five 40. Now that application is closing. Okay, Paint application is closing, but it is providing one error message. The above exception was the direct cause of the following exception. Okay, if you interest, we can change these error messages by using exception handling, but that process is killing automatically. Now go to Task Manager. There is no Paint application. That application is closing. You must observing very clearly. Okay, this is my location. In that location, Flask folder and Python folder is there. Now I'm copying this file to here. One more file I am created. Okay. Next one, within the Flask, I am creating one folder. Okay. That Flask API, I am creating one more folder. Observing very clearly. This is my main folder. In that folder, I am creating 2 directories and 3 files. First, I want to find this information. After that one, I want to go to again Flask directory. Here, one directory is available. One file is available. Again, I want to go to this folder. Again, here, one directory is available and one file is available. I want to go to this folder. Again, here there is no directory, only file is there, that file information I want to find. Now go back, go to this folder. In that folder, there is no any directory. For suppose here also I am creating one more directory. Okay, here okay. Now I want to go to each and every folder. Okay, I want to give the information. Now observing very clearly. Import OS. Now I want to go to os.chdir of Shiva. That is our main location. Or otherwise, directly that location we are passing to one for loop. For root directory symbol, I am using R. Our directory symbol, I am using D. And file representation F. Next one in os.walk. That location I am providing in C:, Python 310. Our location name is Shiva. Print of R, D, F. Okay, R stands for root directory, D stands for subdirectory, and F stands for file. Okay, these names are not mandatory. We can take your name also, IJK also. Meaningfully, I'm taking as a RDF. Okay, root directory to give the path, string output, but directories and files always to give the output as a list format. Okay, some folder contains 1 or 2 files or 1 or 2 subdirectories. That's why list format will be written. Okay, first one go to root directory Shiva. In that Shiva, how many folders are available? 2 folders, Flask, Python. How many files are available? Add.java, edition.py, welcome.html. Okay, go to this location. In that location, 2 folders are available. Next one, 3 files are available. Are you clear? That is the first statement output. Okay, this is our root directory. These are the directories and these are the files. Next, second one, go to this location. Okay, that's why that is the directory, root directory. In that directory, what are the directories are available and what are the files are available? One folder is available and one file is available. Next, again go to this location. Flask, next one, Flask API. In that one again, one folder is there and one file is there. Next one again go to this location. In that one, there is no folders. That's why empty list. One file is there, sub.py. Now control will go to back. Which one? Python location. In that Python, one folder is there and one file is there. Go to again this folder location. One subfolder is there and some files are available. Again go to this location. There is no files and directories. In the DJ folder, This is empty. That's why finally to give the output as a empty, two list objects. One list object for subdirectories, another list object for files. Okay, observing very clearly, my root directory is C:// Python 310 / my root directory is Shiva. Okay. In the root directory, what are the folders are available? First Shiva folder, Flask, Python, add, addition, welcome. First Flask. Okay, that is a folder. In that folder, again, what is the subfolder? Flask API. In that Flask API, Flask tutorial. Okay. Flask tutorial. Here there is no folder. Here only one file is there. What is that file? Sub.py. Okay. Next one, go back outside the Flask tutorial. One Flask example.py file is there. Okay. Here Flask example.py. Next one, outside the Flask API folder. Okay. One file is there. That file is nothing but a demo.py file. Inside the Flask folder, outside the Flask API, demo.py file is there. Next one, now this folder is over. Okay, Flask folder is over. Go to next one, Python folder, Django. Inside the Django, DJ. Inside the DJ, there is no files and directories. That means within the Python, I am created two folders. Python. Inside the Python, I am creating Django. Inside the Django, I am create one more folder. That folder name is DJ. That folder is empty. Next, inside the Django, I am created some files. Okay, inside the Django, DJ, two files I am created, base.py and demo.txt file. Okay, here demo. Or base.py. What is the file name? Another file name. Demo.txt file. Okay. Next one. Within the Python folder, Django and sample.py. Sample.py. Now here sample.py file is available. Next one, within the Shiva folder, Flask folder is over, Python folder is over. Next one, some files are available. Add.java, edition.py, welcome.html. Edition.py, welcome.html. Welcome.html. Write the structure.
Sir, once again, can you please show me the code?
Yeah, okay. Just wait. Complete it.
Yeah. Yeah. After this, completing this.
This is the code. Okay, this is my main location. Observing very clearly. This is the root directory. In that root directory, the root directory is passing to this first variable. Next, second one, directories. In this particular location, what are the directories are available? Flask is a one directory, and Python is a one directory. These directories will be written as a one list format. Next one, F stands for files. Now, what are the files are available? Add.java, edition.py, and welcome.html. These three files will be represented as a one list format. That is the first iteration. Are you clear? Right. Completed. Okay, this is the post iteration. In the Shiva is a root directory. In this particular location, these two are the directories, and these three are the files. Next, go to this location. Now, this is a root directory. Now, what is the directory? Shiva / Flask. In that one, only one directory is available. That is a Flask API, and only one file is there. Next, again, go to this location.
So if you print individually R and D and F, so that will give more clarity, right? Instead of this.
Completed. Okay, I'm printing how to print that one. Completed. Yeah, observing very clearly. Now I want to print one message directory. Okay, the directory R value I want to print. Next one, print of list of directories. Next one, print of files. If you interest, we can remove this one. Okay. Okay. This is the location. In that location, these are the directories and these are the files. Are you clear?
Yes, sir. This will give more clarity about the files and directories in each and every folder. Thank you, sir.
For suppose my requirement is I am specify one location. That means in C drive Shiva folder, I am passing this location. In that location, what are the .py files are available? That .py files I want to display. That is my requirement. In that situation, now observing very clearly, R contains root directory, D contains directories, and F contains files. Now I want to require only files. Now for file in F, okay. After that one, F stands, it is required as a list format, list of files. Next one, my requirement is that file extension with .py. If a file ends with py, print that file. Okay, in entire Shiva location, what are the .py files are available? That files are displayed. Not only this one, in real time, for suppose if you want to finding some images, for suppose .png files or .jpeg files I want to fetching, simple this type of comments we are using. Okay, which location we are passing here, that location data we are fetching. For suppose in entire C drive, what are the .py files are available? The .py files I want to display. That is my requirement. To identifying what are the .py files are available, the .py files we are generated. Okay, internally what will be happen? Go to C drive. Okay, first one go to this folder. If any Python file is available, to print that file. Again go to this folder. Any Python file is available, print that file. Now this folder is not available. Now go to next one, another folder. In that folder, go to this file. Any .py files are available, print that files. Next go to this one, up to last one. For suppose you are go to Python 3.10, now go to DLLS. In that one, what are the Python files are available? These Python files information you are getting. Next go to documentation. Next one, go to include folder. What are the py files are available? It will return py files, or otherwise don't return anything. Next one, go to lib folder. Okay, in that lib folder, n number of folders are available. Again, go to each and every folder to verify any .py file is available. That .py file is generated. Okay, write this one. ఓకే, మీకు ఏ లొకేషన్ అయితే కావాలో లొకేషన్ స్పెసిఫై చేసి ఇస్తే సరిపోతుంది. ఆ లొకేషన్లో మీకు ఎలాంటి ఫైల్స్ కావాలో మనం ఇస్తాం. ఒకవేళ మీకు .png ఫైల్స్ కావాలనుకోండి, .png అని ఇస్తాం. లేకపోతే జేపీఈజీ అయితే జేపీఈజీ ఫైల్స్ ఇస్తాం అలా.
Sir, suppose if I want to redirect that output to a file, will redirection symbol will work here?
రీడైరెక్షన్ మీన్స్
Like suppose I want to append all this output in one file.
yeah, first we need to this data into one list object or anything. After that one, we can write the data into one text file or CSV files or everything.
Okay.
Okay, later we'll discussing file handling, how to handle the text files and CSV files and JSON files. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Completed. Okay, next class we will starting sys model.